once tonight. It's time. It's high time. Roll me over, pull me under, with a twinkle of your eye. Keep a firm and fires burning down by the riverside. Roll me over, pull me under, with a twinkle of your eye. Keep a firm and fires burning down by the riverside. Oh my Lord, she said it rained so heavy. Now I can see the sky. Now I can see the sky. Now I can see the sky. Now I can see the sky.
Round Sound Radio Top 20.
Steve Thompson and the Incidents live on Round Sound Radio.
Bloody good show.
And we're winging it.
The best unsigned and original music the Northwest has to offer. Tune in Thursday at 8 p.m.
We are Hecate, and you are listening to Round Sound Radio.
The inside eyes are looking in.
Is right, this week at number 17, we see Mr. Alan Triggsy re-enter the charts with his wonderful tune that is Algae. Quite surprised, I thought he'd stop pushing that because I know he's got a new one on the way. Still though, always good to be in the chart, mate. Always good to be in the chart. This is Alan Triggs's Algae tunage.
Pouncey, put it in pie. If I don't laugh, I think I'll cry. Wakes up in the PM, carpe diem. Fiver on the lecky, beer for his brekkie. By the time it's 2:30, shovels about with nothing to do. Watching Jeremy Kyle for a while. Life and soul of his local dole up here. Algie was an alcoholic, sitting upon his throne, sipping on tan and super, smoking roll-ups to the bone. Yeah, Algie was an alcoholic, sitting upon his throne, sipping on tan and super, smoking roll-ups to the bone. Drips away, now it's almost 4. His beer's all gone and he needs some more. Back to the offie, not drinking coffee, no, not today, 'cause he's just been paid, oh yeah. 'As the sun goes down, he's happy inside. He numbed the pain of his empty life. Wakes up tomorrow, the pain and the sorrow are back to stay. It's like Groundhog Day, oh yeah. 'Cause Algie was an alcoholic, sitting upon his throne, sipping on tan and super, smoking roll-ups to the bone. Yeah, Algie was an alcoholic, sitting upon his throne, sipping on tan and super, smoking roll-ups to the bone.
see, that was the new ringtone sent in by Tucker. Tucker, sorry, I'm still getting used to that, actually. I'm still... every time I play it, it seems a little bit strange, but you know what? It works, actually. I think it's quite good. It's definitely growing on me. Right, anyway, guys, this week at number 16, we have Von Ryan with From My Heart. Another band skydiving a little bit. This feels like only yesterday these guys were at number 1 in our top 20, but they're falling gracefully. They're down 8 this week, guys. Von Ryan, From My Heart.
Do you fancy a weekend in Scotland? Historic, graceful lands, and a warm welcome? Well, do not go to Scotland, because all you will find is drunken wankers, rain and minus 25-degree winters. I have lived here the best part of 30 years, and every morning when I wake, I think about suicide. Magaluf, Spain, France, Ireland. Actually, fuck Ireland. But why on earth would you come here when you could go there? You stupid British bastards. Fuck off and let us perish in peace.
Righty, and this week we see the Late Night Oil claim number 15 with Moral Fibre. This is a re-entry, and thank the Lord it's a re-entry. It always scares me when great songs get into the bottom 6. I think we're going to lose you. It's like watching your children leave home. It's heartbreaking. This is the Late Night Oil, Moral Fibre.
Don't you go past your point of no return, Lord. Don't you go out there. The thieves and the tricksters, they are waiting on your heels. Your fear turns to weakness. Yes, it happens to us all. We fall. Yes, it happens to us all. It happens to us all. They get you when you're down. Make sure to wear your high heels. Take the higher road. Each concession made is another dollar paid to the fat cats drinking green. And I'm not exempt from the temptations out there. Try to draw my line in the sand. Hold my hand as we walk the straight and narrow, even though it is a tight road path. You might call me hypocrite. You might call me hypocrite. I know I'm not above it all. So come on and take my hand. Together we'll understand more. People, they will try to turn your head with riches and with fame. Your name on high in bright and shining lights, dizzying your mind. So be good to your neighbor, reap the fruits of your own labor. Help your fellow man when you can. You might call me hypocrite. You might call me hypocrite. I know I'm not above it all. So come on and take my hand. Together we'll understand more. You might call me hypocrite. You might call me hypocrite. I know I'm not above it all. So come on and take my hand. Together we'll, 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 together we'll.